I remember the day when my boss fired me, but he didn't know that I was making more money with my side hustle than the money he was paying me for working as a chemical engineer. And that day I learned something important, and I'm going to share it with you in this video. Because I always thought that if I am a good worker, like working the extra mile, working hard from Monday to Sunday, being proactive, but more importantly, selling chemicals because that was my job, and the most important thing, giving to the company at the end of the year the profit, I thought that I can have a career in this company. And the thing that I learned is that a company can fire a person even if this person is a good worker. That's why it's important to start a side hustle when this person have a job, because it takes time and effort and persistence to succeed. And I remember when I started affiliate marketing, which is promoting other people's products, and I took a decision that I'm not going to quit on this side hustle until I succeed, because I didn't want to rely on one source of income, which was my job. And I thought, I'm going to keep going even if I fail, because I don't know how to market or sell anything online. I'm going to keep going. Now, I'm going to share with you the strategy I'm using to make commissions online. Check this out. This is an opt-in page. It has a good title, information, and a picture here. And when people click this button, this pop-up is going to appear so people can put here their name and their email address. The name of the software that I'm using to build my opt-in pages is Clickfunnels. And then the information is going to be sent to another software. The name is Getresponse. And this software is going to send these emails automatically to the people who put their information. And inside of the emails, they will find valuable information and my affiliate links. And if someone buys through my affiliate link, I can earn a commission. Now, let me show you a cool strategy to drive traffic to your funnel. I'm using YouTube. Check this out. I'm using this software for my YouTube channel. The name is TubeBuddy. And if I click here for the weighted score, I can analyze if this keyword is good for my YouTube channel. This software is telling me right now that if I create a video and put this keyword on the title of the video, it's going to be good for my YouTube channel. And if I can find a keyword that it's in the green section, like over here, I'm going to have a high probability to rank on the first spots. So the strategy is creating videos about the products you are promoting and using good keywords in your titles to rank in the first spots on YouTube. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Talk to you soon.